Yo, what's going on? Welcome to another how-to video. In this one, I'm going to share my experience with how to seal your driveway. So we're going to go over what products you need, tools you need, and cost comparison, and just my experience. This is not a, hey, I'm going to get all fancy and have a perfect driveway and compare myself to the folks across the street there. Maybe the price-wise, but again, I just want to share what expectations, if you want to try to do it yourself, what you need to know. All right, roll the film. All right, what we're going to start with is prep. Yes, so I'm going to take the blower, blow all the loose gravel off of the driveway. I just cut the grass. Obviously you don't want to cut the grass after you put the seal down because the grass is going to get in it. So let's go ahead and prep the driveway. All right, prep work is done. Let's go ahead and go over the material. So I buy the sealant material at Lowe's. I always get the cheaper grade just because I have experience. I used to buy the expensive stuff, but the expensive stuff and the cheap stuff only last a year, 6 months. So I got to keep on applying it every year. I do have a bad condition driveway. We got different types of, we got very bad cracks there. We got smaller cracks here that we feel, but then we just try to hold that together. So I am an engineer, used to be experienced in pavement engineering, and the difference in grade is if you're applying aggregate to it, and if you want to put the expensive grade on high traffic roadways, interstates or such. But usually pavement engineering for smaller ADT stuff, you always use the average daily traffic, the lower grade material. I'm not going to do the entire driveway here today. Generally takes 5 to 6 buckets to do the entire driveway. I just want to band-aid this together for, it's, you know, literally 70 bucks if you include the stick here. You get this right at Lowe's where you buy the material to apply it. So I'm just trying to band-aid it. I got an estimate pre-COVID to remove and replace this driveway because you can't really, it doesn't make sense to do an overlay on it because it's so bad condition. So you have to remove and replace. And at that time it was 8,500 bucks pre-COVID. So rule of thumb, COVID, you double everything. So it's probably $16,000 to redo this driveway here. And that's why I'm just trying to invest 100 bucks into it every year and prolong that cost as long as I can. All right, perhaps the number one thing I didn't know whenever I first started doing this is, what do you do when you open up? When you open it up, there's going to be 2 inches of water on top of the asphalt. You don't want to just pour that out on the driveway, otherwise the asphalt and that water is going to go the whole way down the driveway. You're not going to be able to control it. So you don't want to dump that in the storm drain. You're going to kill fish and aquatic life. And you also don't want to dump it where there's wells. So I have well water here. So continual, I used to be an environmental engineer and specialized in groundwater remediation, and this stuff will cause cancer if you get it in your drinking supply. So if you're doing it every year, dumping it in the same spot on top of your well that gets down in an aquifer, it could literally cause cancer. So likely best place if you could put it down a utility sink, the water, or at least try to put it out in a open area where no drinking supply is, and maybe pre-filter it, put a shirt down or bag down, and dump the water through there to try to filter out as much asphalt as you can. All right, stage out where you want the material, work your way down. I do not apply any pre-agents. I think that's a waste of money or extra sales pitch. So let's go ahead and get started here. I'm gonna pour this down and start to spread around. All right, that's how far one bucket got me. Almost covered up all the cracks in the entire driveway. So what I'm gonna do, I got a little bit more cracks to fill there and there with that bucket. So I'm not gonna pour the whole bucket out, just a little bit at a time. And this material shrinks up on you. So I'm gonna come back after it dries and reapply it again, mostly over here where it was real bad. All right, that's how much 2 buckets get you. I'm gonna let it dry. And again, instead of going all neat, even the whole way down, I'm just mainly trying to fill in cracks today. So if you wanna do it fancy, I would suggest go buy 2 buckets, one to 2 buckets, depending on the size of your driveway. Fill in the cracks, let it dry for a night, come back, and then do it over again. So you can see the difference on how fast it dries out in the sun versus in the shade there. But it does dry pretty quick. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna let it dry, settle, because it shrinks, come back and hit it one more time with the one last bucket that we got. All right, so I waited about half an hour to try to get the asphalt to shrink a little bit here so we could apply the last bucket. So I just want to show you how much it didn't shrink up much, but again, we'll apply one more bucket on top of where the big cracks are. All right, we are 8 hours after I put it down, and it's all dry. I actually pulled both vehicles into the garage with no asphalt coming in, so it does dry pretty quick. I'll show you how much it shrinked up here. Now this was very badly cracked. I mean, it's not technically, they don't advertise that the sealant fixes this types of cracks, but again, I'm just trying to band-aid it till I could get the driveway replaced. But that's how much it shrunk up there in the bad part. How much it shrunk up in medium cracks. We'll take a look at one other place. That's pretty good. Shrinks up a little bit right in there. So yeah, I do want to summarize. Again, I was just filling the cracks and let it dry. I'm probably going to come back with 4 more buckets now and do the whole thing to make it nice and neat. So I don't want to make this video too long, just short and sweet. You know what's involved if you want to try to do this yourself. So the driveway my size is pretty long there. You're probably looking at $100. Do it yourself. You hire a contractor like they did. It's got to be either 600 bucks, 800 bucks maybe to hire a contractor. So all right, any questions, let me know, comment down below, and hope you learned something. Have a good one.